Hi and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Bathroom 5-in-1 set. This set is available on AliExpress for around $10–11. And let's see what's in the box. This set should include several items. Let's first see how to open this box. They packed it pretty well. And I'm not sure. I'll just do it like this. First of all, it contains a holder for the toilet paper roll. Then it contains the soap holder. Then a mobile phone holder, a toothbrush holder, and another small thing which can be used for like small stuff that you keep in the bathroom. Okay, so the outer box is out. So this is the inner box. As with most of the things from Xiaomi, it's pretty white. And even though this is made by Xiaomi partner HL. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, we have short instruction manual that is in Chinese. I don't think we will really be needing that. So, first of all, here is the soap holder. It's made in two parts, so this part goes to the wall. As you can see, there is 3M glue, so you can just simply attach it to the wall. And this part, which can be washed and goes above it for your soap, but there is even a hole there, so the excess water goes out. Okay, that's first thing. The second thing is this one, which is really strange. I don't know what it can be used for, but the idea is that inside you put small things, and using this thing you can just lift it and take those things out. We will see about that. So, and there's a, I don't know what this is. This is sort of rubbery thing. Okay, and this is the toothbrush. I wanted to say plug-in. This is a toothbrush holder. So as you can see, the toothbrushes stick to the bottom side. This side goes onto the wall and they just hang there. It's pretty strange, and the only thing that I said immediately when I saw this one, it's pity that there is only room for 3 toothbrushes, since Xiaomi sells toothbrushes in packs of 4. And there would be room for another toothbrush here, as you can see. Okay, and the last thing, which, no, this is the thing before the last. This is a mobile phone holder. You just glue it onto a wall. And as you can see, there's a rubbery thing inside. And you can just put your mobile phone. Let's admit it, we all go to the toilet with mobile phones. Okay, and the last thing is a toilet paper holder. So as you can see, it doesn't bend, it doesn't do anything. It's solid. So like that. So that's about it, and if you liked my video, please subscribe, and see you next time.